Hello everyone, my name is Ayusa Gita. I'm from class management 24 di NPM 244-11109. Consumer behavior in economic activities. Consumer and producer behavior is part of economic activities that are interrelated and productive in the economy. Consumers as a sort of request to fulfill their needs or desires. Meanwhile, producers as practice will supply consumer needs so that they understand more about the theory of consumer and producer behavior in activities. See the explanation below. Basically, consumer behavior is a theory that explains how consumers as existing requests to satisfy or need for one or more products. 3 are two main approaches to analyzing consumer behavior in enjoying goods or service, namely the cardinal approach and the ordinal approach, along with the explanation. Factors that influence the behavior of producers in producing products include 1. Societal factors as producer. Of course, the behavior of paying close attention to the market and being the target of marketing and sales. This can be seen from the socio-cultural aspect of the community, so that producers can get to know their consumers well. 2. Psychological strengths of the consumer. Recognition process are not only seen from social and cultural aspect but also from psychology structure of the consumer. Chronological process are not only seen from social and cultural aspect but also from consumer psychological aspect. One example of this is consumer tastes for a product. 3. Objectives and function of capital. Knowing the objective and function of a company capital is essential for measuring producer behavior. Apart from that, this factor will also influence producers in making a profit. 3 are two main approaches to analyzing consumer behavior in enjoying goods or service, namely the cardinal approach and the ordinal approach, along with the explanation. Cardinal approach. Several fundamental concepts used for the cardinal approach, namely totality, utility, and marginal utility. Total utility is what consumers enjoy in consuming a great number of goods or services as a whole, where marginal utility is the increase in utility enjoyed by consumers from as additional unit of goods and services consumed. To ordinal approach. The ordinal approach assumes that the utility of a good does not need to be measured, just to be known, and consumers are able to rank the high and low utility available from the consuming a number of goods or services. This approach can be analyzed using average cost and Bayesian linear provided from the books. The inverse curve is a curve that shows the combination of two types of consumer goods that provide the same level utility. The Bayesian line is a line that shows various combinations of two different types of goods by consumers with the same income.